Hello students, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. So myself Shivshankar. We are going to continue our physics class. So in the last class we have completed up to the exercise, the page number 43, exercise 1, up to 13th question I think we have completed there. 12th one we have completed. So now we will see the 13th one. 13th question. Okay. So in the 13th question it has given 1 millennium is equal to dash days. Okay. So 13th question we will see here. 13th question, 1 millennium. 1 millennium is equals to dash day. Okay. So 1 millennium is nothing but 1 millennium is equals to 1000 So they are saying here days. They are asking days now. Years. 1000 years. 1 millennium is equals to 1000 years there. So they are asking in days. How many days it is? Okay. We know that 1 year. So 1 year is equals to how many days? 365 days. No, 365 days. Yes. Now therefore now 1 millennium is equals to this 1000 into 1 year. No, here 1 year is equals to 365 days. In the place of year we should write here 365 days. So therefore what happens here now? This will be multiplied. So 365 means 3,65,000. 3,65,000 days. Okay. So therefore the answer is what here? So here it will come there 3,65,000 days. 1 millennium is equals to 1000 years. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Therefore we will get 1 millennium. 1000 into 365 days there. So we will get here 3,65,000 days. It's clear, no? So now the answer is option 1. Answer is option 1 is correct. Okay. Now next question. We'll see it here, then the next question. 14th question, 1 hexameter is equals to dash centimeters. 1 hexameter. So here the 14th solution. So 1 hexameter is equals to dash centimeter. Hexa means, so like we have a table, prefix table and sub multiples and multiples table is there, no? So hexa is nothing but hexa is equals to 10 to the power of 18. 10 to the power of 18. Okay. So now suppose like we have micro, no? Micro means micro is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6, and atto means it is 10 to the power of minus 8. Minus 18 here. This is nano means 10 to the power of minus 9. Milli means we know milli 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. So like we have a femto or Fermi. We have 10 to the power of 15. Okay, this is a table is there. I think in the earlier days you have got this table, no? The earlier days we have learned this table. Exa is 10 to the power of 18. 10 to the power of 18. So 1 hexameter, how many centimeters they are asking there? Okay. So now here the answer will become, so 1 hexameter is equals to 10 to the power of 18, 10 to the power of 18 meters, and this has to be converted into centimeters. So in centimeter means we know that 1 centimeter, here it is 10 to the power of 8 now, and here this is a 10 to the power of 2 centimeters now. So we'll get here 10 to the power of 20 centimeters, 10 to the power of 20 centimeters, 10 to the power of 20 centimeters. Okay. I'm erasing this one, 13th one. So 10 to the power of 20. So therefore 1 hexameter is equals to 10 to the power of 20 meters, centimeters. 10 to the power of 20 centimeters. Hexa means 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 18, 10 to the power of 18. Then 1 hexameter is equals to, we should convert into the centimeters. So hexameter means 10 to the power of here 18 meters. 1 meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter, 100 centimeters, no? So here 10 to the power of 18 into 10 to the power of 2. So 10 to the power of 20 will get there. So therefore the hexameter, 1 hexameter is equals to 10 to the power of 20 meters. Therefore the answer is what here? Answer answer is option now 3. Option 3 is correct one. Okay. Note down. So now next one, 14th, 15th one, 15th solution, see there. Lunar month. So lunar month is equals to dash years. Lunar month is equals to dash years. Here we should convert that into years. So we know that one lunar month is equals to 30 days. No, generally it is 30 days. 30 days. We should convert that into year. Okay. So we know 1 year, how many days? 1 year, 365 days in the generally. Then 1 day is equals to how much it will become there? 1 day. We want 1 day there. So this 365 we should send this side. It will become 1 by 365 years. Okay. Here 1 day is equals to that much. So now 1 lunar month. Here the lunar month. I'll let it here. 1 lunar month is equals to so therefore lunar month is equals to, it is 30 days, no? Is equal to 30 days. So 1 day, how many years? We have seen that. So we'll get here 30 into 1 day. So this 1 day is equals to 1 by 365 year, no? We should write here 1 by 365 year. 365 year. So that, so this can be converted into the years there. Okay. So this is equal to 30 divided by 365 years. So we have to simplify it. If we simplify there, how much you get there? you simplify, so calculate this one now. 365 into 8. See there. How much will get there? This one. So it is a 40, 48 plus 4, 52. The 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5. 29 will get there. So it is 2920. It is coming there. Here 30 is there. So then if you put here zeros, 0.0, one more 0 will come there, and here one more 0 will come there. So it will go nearly 8, no? 0.08. So if you put here, okay. So for the point, for 0 point will get here 0, and here one more 0 will get here how much? 8. So therefore we'll get here lunar month. Lunar month is equals to 0.08 year will come there. Understood, no? So lunar month is equals to how many years? One lunar month 30 days. Okay. So then one year how many days? 365 days there. So now we should convert this 30 days into the years. Okay. So one day how much? One day is equals to 1 by 365 year. Now substitute here one lunar month 30 days. In place of day, 1 day, 1 by 365 year we can write there. Multiply here multiply 30 divided by 365. Now divide. This 30 has to be divided with the 365 will get there 0.08 year. So one lunar month is equals to 0.08 year. So now here the answer, correct answer is answer option 2. Option 2 will be there. Clear, no? Next, 16th question. One mean solar day. One mean solar day they are asking there. One mean solar day. Okay. So, is equals to. So, I'll write the question here. The options are also given there. Yes. So 16th question, see there 16th question. So here it is given there, one mean solar day. The question is one mean solar day. Solar day is equals to dash. So option 1 is given here. Option 1 is 24 hours, and option 2 is given 1440 minutes, and third one is given here 86,400 seconds, and fourth option is given all of the above. All of the above. Okay. So one mean solar day, one day, we know that. So here 1 day is equals to how much? Okay. So 1 day, how many hours? It will be 24 hours, no? 24 hours. 24 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So this is right. One mean solar day is nothing but 1 day. Okay. So it will be the 24 hours. Now this 24 hours, if it is converted into 24 into 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes, no? So 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So now multiply here, how much you get there? This is a 0 and here 6 4 is a 24 and here 12 4. So this is a minutes, no? Minutes. So 1 day is equals to 1440 minutes. So now we'll convert into seconds there. So 1440, 1 minute again how much there? 60 seconds now? 60 seconds. Yes. So multiply with this now here. So 2 zeros will be there here. Then 6 4 is a 24. 2 zeros and here 6 4 24. Then 6 4 is a 24 plus 2. Okay. 24, 26 and here 8. So 86,400 seconds. So we got this also correct and this also correct. Then we can write the answer is what there? Answer is all of the above. So 1 day is equals 24 hours and the 24 hours if you convert into minutes, you will get this one. If the minutes again it will be converted into seconds there, 86,400 seconds will get there. So 1 solar day is 24 hours, 1440 minutes and 86,400 seconds. So now the answer is, we can write here all of the above. So the answer is here option 4. Answer is option 4. It's clear? Sorry, 17th question. 17th one. So 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers is equals to dash miles. 100 kilometers, how many miles? 100 kilometers is equals to how many miles there, okay? So here we can write there 1 mile. 1 mile is equals to 1.65 kilometers. Okay. So now here 1 kilometer, if you write there, 1 kilometer is equals to 1 by 1.65 mile. 1.65 miles. Okay, 1 kilometer. So now if you simplify this one, here we'll get that value is 0.6213 miles you will get there. 1 kilometer is equals to 0.6213 miles you will get here. Okay, 0.63 miles there. So therefore 1 kilometer is equals to this one. Now here 100 kilometers we should convert into miles there, 100 kilometers. So now 100 into kilometers. So 100 kilometers, 100 into 1 kilometer we can write now. So here 100 into 1 kilometer is nothing but how much we will write? This one you write down 0.6213 mile. So therefore we will get here 62.13 miles. 62.13 miles you will get there. So therefore we will get here 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers is equal to 62.13 miles we will get there. Okay. Completed now? Now next 18th one we will see there. So 18th question is given here, 25 microgram is equals to dash grams. So 25 micrograms. So 18th one. So 18th the solution, 25 micrograms is equals to how many grams? 25 micrograms is equals to how many grams here? So here we can write there 25 into micro. This is a symbol of micro. This is pronounced as it is a micro. Micro. The symbol of micro is mu. It is pronounced as mu. So 25 μg means micrograms. Micro means the value of that is 10 to the power of minus 6 grams. 10 to the power of minus 6 grams. So now we can write here. So since it is from mu is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. Mu is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. So now here from this we can write here 25. It can be written as 10 to the power of 6, no? 10 to the power of 6 grams. 25 divided by 10 to the power of 6. So how can I write there like this? So a power minus n is equals to a power 1 by a power n we can write now. 1 by a power n. Okay, like that. If you write here 25 by, this one will get there. Now from this here, so 25 by 10 to the power of 6 is nothing but how much there? 10 to the power of 6 mega. So we can write here 10 lakhs now. 10 lakhs. 10 to the power of 6. 5 zeros means 1 lakh and here 10 lakhs. 6 zeros means 10 lakhs there now. So now it can be written as 25 divided by 10 lakhs. 1 million. 1 million. So now here we can write there 25 divided by this one. In terms of decimal points, how can you write there? So we should put here 1. 0.0 instead of 1 here we should put in the denominator 1 there. Then 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros should keep here and this is 25. So 25 grams. This is in grams and here we'll get there grams. So therefore, here we can write there 25 microgram is equals to 25 into 10 to the power of minus 6 gram. So that is equals to 0.00025 grams. So this is the answer. So now the answer is what for this? Answer option. What is the option here? Fourth option. Option 3. Sorry. Third option. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct there. This one. Here. It's clear now? Okay. So now 19th one you see there. So 19th question is given here, 150 kilometer per hour. So 19th one, 150 kilometer per hour is equals to dash meter per second. 150 kilometer per hour is equals to dash meter per second. Okay. So here first we should know 1 kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer per hour. We should convert that into first meter per second. Okay. So 1 kilometers, how many? 1 kilometer means 1000 meters, no? 1 kilometers is equals to 1000 meters. Per means divided by. Per, P stands for divided by, per divided by hour. So here we write here hour. So 1 hour. So 1 hour how many seconds? 1000 meters divided by, so 60 minutes. So here we can add 60 minutes now. Again now 1000 divided by 60 into seconds, it is 60 seconds. So it is a meter and seconds. So now here we can add there, this is the 1000 divided by, multiply this one 60 into 60, 3600, no? 3600, here meter per second. This is also written as meter second inverse. Meter second inverse. So now these two zeros and zeros will be cancelled. Here how much will be remain there? 5, 2 5s are, 2 18s are. So we'll get here 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meter per second. So now this is what here? It is the, therefore we can write here 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meter per second. This has to be remembered. Okay. So 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Now here they are asking, here what they are asking here? They are asking 150 kilometer per hour, 150 kilometer per hour, how many? So how many meter per seconds? How many meter per seconds? So now this can be written as here 150. We know that 150 into kilometer, 150 into kilometer per hour. So 150 into kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer per hour, how much you got there? 5 by 18 meter per second. Now here multiply. So 5 by 18 we should multiply, then we'll get the answer here. Okay. So how many times will go there here? So 3 6 are, 3 5s are. Okay. Then this one 6 1s are, 6 are, 8s are 48 no, 6 8s are 48, 2 remains. 2 remains there. So 2 will be not go there. We'll put a point here. If we put a point there, 20 will come there. And here we can write here 3 is 3. 6 3 is 18. So like 3 will come there. 8.33 into 5. So we'll get here 8.33 into 5 we will be get here. Okay. It's clear now? Now multiply this one, how much we get here? So it is a 5 and this one 15 and here 16 will come there, 1 will be there. This is a 40 plus 1, 41.65 meter per second. So therefore we'll get here 150 kilometer per hour. 150 kilometer per hour is equals to 41.65 meter per second. Okay, note it down. It's clear now? Completed? Nice. Now we'll see next 20 problem. 20 nanograms is equals to ton. 20 nanograms is equals to ton. 20 nanograms is equals to dash tons. So 20 nanograms we should convert into the tons. Okay. So 20th solution it is 20 nanograms. N means it is a nano. So N stands for nano. Here ton dash ton. So now this 20 is nothing but it is the nano. So nano is nothing but the value of nano 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. So now we should convert them into, and it is gram is given there, grams. So now if you write this, there 20 into 10 to the power of minus 9 grams will come there. Grams. This grams we should convert into tons. And we know that here 1 ton, 1 metric ton or 1 ton. 1 metric ton or ton. 1 metric ton or ton is equals to 1000 kgs. Okay, this we should remember. 1 ton or metric ton is equals to 1000 kgs. 1 quintal is equals to 100 kgs. 1 ton means 1000. 1 ton or metric ton is equals to 1000 kgs. Now this kgs we should convert it to grams there. Okay. So again we know that 1 kg is equals to how many grams there? 1000 grams now. 1000 grams. 1000 grams. So now from this we can write here 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kg. 1 by 1000 kg. Yes. Okay. So now, now we don't need this one. It is not required. So 1 kg convert here. So now here from this we'll get there 1 ton is equals to 1000. No, 1000. 1 kg how many grams again? It is the into 1000 grams. Okay. So now this can be written as here 1 ton. From this 1 ton is equals to 10 to the power of 6. We can write now here 10 to the power of 6 grams. 1 ton is equals to, from this 1 ton is equal to 10 to the power of 6 grams we can write. And here we should write this 20 nanograms, they are asking in tons. Then from this, we can write here 1 gram is equals to 1 gram is equals to 1 by 10 to the power of 6 tons. We should send this 10 to the power of 6 to this side. It will become 1 gram is equals to 1 by 10 to the power of 6 tons there. So in place of, so now from this, especially from this, 1 gram is equals to 1 by 10 to the power of 6 tons. That if you substitute here, so now here 20 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into 1 gram. So 1 gram, how much we got there? 1 by 10 to the power of 6 tons. 1 by 10 to the power of 6 ton. Okay. So now if you bring this 10 to the power of 6 to the numerator, 10 to the power of 6 to the numerator, it will become 10 to the power of minus 6 tons. So now here we will get there 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6 minus 9. We will get there minus 15, no? Minus 15 tons. 20 into 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay. Or otherwise, here this also can be written as 2 into, here 10 is there, 10 to the power of minus 15 is there. 10 into 10 to the power of minus 15. So we will get there 10 to the power of minus 15 plus 10, 1 no. So we will get there 10 to the power of minus 14 will get there, 14 tons. So therefore, 20 nanograms is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 14 ton. Minus 14 ton. Okay. Minus 14 ton. This is the answer. 20 nanograms is equals to 20 nanograms. Okay, 20 nanograms is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 14 ton. So therefore, the answer we can write here, answer option. Option from the given options, it is the first option. Option 1 is correct there. Option 1 is right. Understood now this one? 20 nanograms is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 14 tons. 75 kilometer per hour. So 21st one. The question is here, it is given 75 kilometer per hour is equals to dash meter per hour. The previous problem we have converted kilometer per hour into meter per second. So here they are asking kilometer per hour into meter per hour. So in earlier problem we have converted meter per second. It is meter per hour they are asking there. Okay. The same like that only. So first of all we will see there 1 kilometer per hour is equals to how many meter per hours? Meter per hour. 1 kilometer, how many meters there? 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. Per. So per hour. They are asking hour only. So we will be get here. So therefore 1 kilometer per hour, 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1000 meter per hour. 1000 meter per hour. Or it also can be written as 10 to the power of 3 meter per hour. 10 to the power of 3 meter per hour we can add there. Okay, now they are asking here in the problem 75. 75 kilometer per hour. 75 kilometer per hour will get here 75 into 10 to the power of 3 meter per hour. Meter per hour. Now if you want in meter per second, so it will become there 75. So this is the answer in meter per hours. But in the options that they given, they converted into meter per second actually. Okay. So now if you convert into meter per second, we know that 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. Now if you calculate here, how much you get there? 75. So here how much you get there? 18 ones are 18 fours are 18 fours are 72. 18 fours are 72 plus here 72 means 3 remains there. So 3 will not go there, we should put a point here. So 30 will come there. So 18 ones are 18 twos are 36 no. So here 1 will be there, 18. 30 minus 18, how much you get there here? So 2, 1, 12 will be remain there. So 18 and 120. 120 means, so we will be get there 70 plus 7 will go no. plus 56. So it will become there, it will be go around 6. So now we should multiply here 4.16 into 5. If you multiply, how much we get there? This is a 30 and 5, 8. So 20.8 meter per second. 20.8 meter per second. And this is in meters per second. Okay, this is a minutes per second is this one. So here we can convert this into miles per second also. So miles per hour. Miles per hour. So I given there 1 kilometer. See, we'll convert that into miles per hour now. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1 mile is equals to 1.65 kilometers. 1.65 kilometers. 1 mile is equals to 1 mile. Okay. 1 mile is equals to 1.65 kilometers. From here we can convert there 1 kilometer is equals to 1 by 1.65 mile. And now we can convert there kilometer into mile per hour, miles per hour. Okay. So now right there 75 into 1 kilometer per hour. So we can write here 1 kilometer is nothing but 1 by 1.65 mile per hour. Okay, now if you simplify, we'll get the answer there. So 75 divided by 1.65. So mile per hour. This is a miles per hour. This is a meters per hour. So this one we can write here meters per hour. Okay. So this is a miles per hour. Miles per hour. So thank you children. We'll see you in the next class remaining.